Hello, happy morning all of you. How are you all? Are you happy? Are you healthy at home? I hope all of you are fine at home and taking care of yourself. Today we will start with a new chapter of SST, that is knowing our earth. So let's begin. So let us begin with the chapter. Knowing our earth. So what happened? Neeraj's father gifted him a globe on his birthday. It is a perfect model of the earth. Now what did Neeraj's father do? You remember Neeraj, the student who loves studying social studies? His father gifted him a globe, which is a perfect model of the planet Earth. Do you want to see a globe? Okay, I'll show you. See, here it is, the giant globe. Okay, let's continue. What happened next? It is a perfect model of the earth, but a globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. What is the problem in the globe? That it can only show one part of the earth at a time. See, अगर ये साउथ एरिया दिखा रही है तो एक बार में हमें सिर्फ साउथ एरिया दिखेगा, नॉर्थ या दूसरा एरियाज नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, देन so Neeraj has to rotate the globe to see the entire earth. Not only Neeraj, even you have to rotate the globe to see the entire earth. Okay, let's see what happened next. See, he's rotating. Then it helps him to spot countries, oceans and seas. But a globe cannot show all the details. Now what is the problem? The globe will show you countries, it will show you seas, all these water areas and all. But आपको पूरा image नहीं दे सकता. आप एक बार में सब नहीं देख सकते हो. Isn't that a problem? Yes? Then what to do? Let's find out. To see details of all the places, huge globes would be required. But such globes would be very expensive. So to see all the areas of the globe, huge globe would be required, even bigger than this. But that will be very expensive, children. So there are certain things which are made through which we can see all the places at a time. And what is it? Hence, maps are used to show small details. What is used? Maps are used to show small details. A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface. What is a map? A map is a drawing of a place. एक place की drawing है on a flat surface, not a circular, a flat surface. Now Neeraj wants to know more about maps. Now you know, Neeraj wants to know more about maps. What happened next day? The next day, Neeraj greets his teacher and sees that she is holding something big in her hand. Just like this, what he saw? Neeraj's teacher was holding something big in her hands. So the next day Neeraj greets and sees that she is holding. Now what is she holding? It is like a thick U-chart paper rolled up. It looks exactly like this. It is what? It is thick and it is rolled up. ये roll किया हुआ है ना? Okay. Miss Soni opens the sheet to show a map. Now Miss Soni has also opened it. Now Miss Pooja will also open it. Let's see. What is it? It is a map. Look at this. Oh, isn't it giant? Isn't it huge in size? See, children. This is a map. Okay, now this map is of India. किसका मैप है ये? इंडिया का. इसमें सारी प्लेसेस इंडिया में जो भी हैं वो सब दी हुई हैं. Okay, all the places, all the cities, states, everything is there in it. Okay, so let's see what Miss Soni is doing. She says this is a map. As you all can see, we have big maps for classroom so that all the children can see them. If you were in the classroom, I would be very happy to show you this. Okay, so in Neeraj's class also, all the children are looking at the map. Okay, then these maps are called wall maps. What are these maps called? These maps are called wall maps. Okay, so now let's study again. What happens? We can hang them on the wall so that everyone can see them clearly. We can hang them on the wall. This map, if I will hang it on the wall, you'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, similarly, we also have a book of maps. This book is called an atlas. Okay, this was a wall map which I have shown you, but there is also a book of maps. बुक के साइज में मैप्स होते हैं एंड इस बुक ऑफ मैप्स को हम बोलते हैं एटलस. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? एटलस. ओके, सो नाउ आई होप the topic is clear to you till now. Now we will discuss the worksheet of this topic and you have to write the questions as well as answers of the worksheet. Okay, so let's get started. Okay children, now onwards I may not be able to provide the worksheet in the hard copy. paper form में नहीं दे पाऊंगी. Okay, so we will discuss the worksheet and you have to write the questions as well as the answers in your SST notebook. Okay, and I will check them. Okay, so you will write the question, that is the first one. Take the correct answer. First one, a model of the earth is called dash. What is it? Model of the earth. I have shown you also. Is it a globe or an atlas or a map? Now you have to answer it. Okay, so you write the question and directly write the correct option. The next one, we can hang dash on the wall. We can hang dash on the wall. Is it a globe? Is it an atlas or is it wall maps? I don't know, but I am sure you must know the answer. Okay, so you just have to write the question and the correct option. The next one, answer the questions in short. What is a globe? You just have to tell in 1 or 2 lines what is a globe. Okay, so write the question and the answer with it. Okay, now I know what is a globe. I know you all know the answer. Second, what does the globe helps us to spot? Globes help us to spot so many places and all. We have discussed. You will write it. I know. The last one. What is an atlas? What is an atlas? It is related to maps. Okay, so that is all. That's all the hint I will give. You have to solve all these answers and questions in your SST notebook. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. God bless you all. Goodbye.